of Marvel comes Thor Ragnarok. Unboxing time with Kenny. Yeah. I host myself. I introduce myself. Because I'm awesome. Alright. Anyway. Hello everyone and welcome to Kenny's making sure he's recording this at all. An unboxing of the Thor Ragnarok figures. Yeah, Thor Ragnarok. Look, it can be these guys. The lighting just sucks, I'm sorry. It can be like, oh, there's so many choices. Look at all the choices. See all the choices. Look at them. Okay. Now, I don't like this video. No, I don't like this one. You're really sucking at this today, Kenny. All right. Stay, Mr. Clown, stay. Stay with me. We're gonna unwrap. First, we're gonna take off the plastic wrapper here. And you see, and oh, listen to that sound. Oh, it's soothing, isn't it? Okay, it can be any one of these figures here. Check them out. The world of Thor Ragnarok. Thor Ragnarok was a really fun movie. I really liked Thor Ragnarok. It was pretty cool. My eyes are watering. This video sucks. I don't know. I'm trying to make videos and I suck at it. Stop sticking out your tongue. Okay, that's weird. I just took off the wrapping. And the bottom, look, the bottom just opens right up. I didn't do that. What's that about? I guess we'll open it from the bottom. Just open it backward. No, we unboxed correctly. We unboxed from the top. Wait, it should be done. Okay. Alright, so here's the box. There it is. I see something protruding. Oh, it's a black bag. It's the famous unboxing black bag. It looks like it has a weird design on it or something, like a half a face. Look at it. Whoa, it has like a nose, big nose and a mouth. Okay. Anyway, there we go. Ooh, these are big. Ooh. They're big. They're big figures. And I feel like maybe multiple pieces. It's a big figure. Multiple pieces. So this is collector's item. Only at GameStop. The shop for you right there. And he's trying to be all cool. All right, here we go. You see it as I see it. Here we go. Gonna pop a hole in it and I'm such a wuss. I'm like trying. No, I don't like this video. Okay, this video is brought to you by, and probably the reason why I'm hyper, Mountain Dew the Voodoo. I mean, this is kind of cool because this is the 2020 Mountain Dew Voodoo Part 2, Voodoo 2, and it's pretty good flavor. I like it, and it's probably pretty much ready to be sold out because it's Thanksgiving and it was a Halloween thing. It's November. So anyway. Okay, now that I've calmed down, you see it as I see it. Here we go. The reveal. Let's see what happens here. Ooh. What am I seeing here? It's a red helmet. It's a... Is it Hulk? Oh, if it's Hulk, that'd be cool. Oh my god, I think it's Hulk. Okay, settle down. Take him out. Does he come in pieces? What am I seeing here? Whoa. What am I seeing? Ooh. Oh god. Oh god, he's facing the wrong way. Oh my god. Oh, I love him. Oh. 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 Whoa. Look at that. Wow, you guys. It's the Incredible Hulk. And he's got the hammer of Thor. He's got Thor's hammer, I think, or a hammer like it. And he's got the armor. And he's got a bobbly head, which is kind of weird. He's got armor on the back. Got a bobbly head. They have bobbleheads. Did we know there were going to be bobbleheads? They have bobbleheads. It's kind of awesome. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Mumra versus the Incredible Hulk. Ha ha ha, Mumra is screwed. I love it. Awesome. Yes. What is he? Does he pose? I mean, can you like pose him? Like, can you move his arms and stuff? No, you can't move his arms. Can you keep his head? Can you turn his head a little bit? Ooh, I don't know. I guess he just has that angle look like he's looking over here. He's looking at his hammer going, oh, I'm gonna smash you good. Alright. So anyway, that's my unboxing. That's a pretty cool unboxing. That's pretty cool. I like him a lot. The Incredible Hulk Thor. Yes. Yes. Like him. Okay. So anyway, that's my unboxing for today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Thank you for watching Squidsville.